just not cooperating with me. It's so hot. We lost power last night. I'm just like, it's not having a good time. I'm not. Hi everyone and welcome back. So as you can tell by the title, I'm doing a room tour, and this is for the house that I live in with my parents, and then in a few weeks I will be doing a room tour for my college house, so be on the lookout for that. So before we get started, as always, make sure to go down below and hit subscribe. Also make sure to follow all my social medias listed down here: Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, the whole deal, and let's just hop right into the room tour. Starting when you first walk into my room, I have this name tag with Stitch on it. My RA made it for me last semester, and I just absolutely love it because Stitch is one of my favorite Disney characters, and yeah. And then moving down from the name tag, I have all of these lanyards here. I have my work lanyard, a bunch of meet and greet lanyards from when I went to concerts and events and stuff like that. I'm gonna go to the right here. We have this lamp, and it just has a bunch of tiers to it. So this one is all my perfume, and it's just the perfume I use every day. I usually put the ones that I use the most up here in the front. And then down here, I just have some dance and baton trophies. And then down here, I just have a snow globe and an angel and just some family memento things. Moving over, I just have my violin and guitar. I just don't really have a place for them at the moment, so that's why they're there. And then now we are going to move on to my desk. So starting right here on the right, I have my makeup brushes, which is just the James Charles makeup brush set. And then moving down a little bit is a TikTok painting that my roommate Kennedy made for me. And I love it, and I love her, and I love TikTok. And hopefully you guys will see her in a roommate tag very soon. And then right next to it, I have an and symbol, which is just from Marshalls, I believe. And then I have my planner and my to-do list, just some things that I use on the daily. Then right here in the middle, I have this painting that says Choose Your Weapon. It has a bunch of makeup on it, and I'm pretty sure I got it from Marshalls or TJ Maxx. Then moving over, I just have this glass container of beauty blenders that I had bought from Marshalls, and then I have a bunch of books that are just like kind of internet related. So the first one is Alice in Tumblrland, the Polaroid book, and then Really Professional Internet Person by Jen McAllister. And then my desk in general, I just have this acrylic clear chair. I'm not too sure where it's from, and then the desk just has like 2 drawers. I'm not going to go through them. Then above my desk, I have an Internet Kids Never Sleep poster signed by Connor Franta. If y'all were O2L fans, you know. Then down below here, I just have my school backpack for the time being in my garbage can. And then I have this black cabinet, which I'm pretty sure we got it from my aunt. And then inside, I think it just has my, it just has my sweatshirts, a whole lot of Peppa Pigs, and then a bunch of long sleeves, my records for my record player, which is up there, and then some yearbooks, and then other stuff like that. Right next to that, I just have a picture of Marilyn Monroe. This has been in here since I think when I moved into this room when I was like 10. It's just been here forever. And then moving up is my favorite part of my room, which is just my LED lights. Obviously, have to live that TikTok aesthetic life. Then I have this armoire, which just has my TV on it. It has my Polaroids, a disposable camera. It has a figurine of Raja from Aladdin and Tina from Bob's Burgers. And then it's just all my drawers. Moving up to the posters, I just have a 5 Seconds of Summer tour poster, and then pictures from the 5 Seconds of Summer tour that I went to see from that show. And then a Fred Astaire, Eleanor Powell, Broadway Kidance painting that my mom had gotten from one of her co-workers, and then a real movie poster from the movie theater of The Breakfast Club 30th anniversary celebration. Coming down to my bed, we just have my bedding, which I'm pretty sure we got it from Marshalls, and then it's just a navy blue like sheet set, and then a yellow pillow, a silver pillow, black pillow, which is actually pink on the other side, and a blue pillow, which, fun fact, the back of that pillow is actually Camp Rock. So that's a true OG fan right there. And then at the foot of my bed is just this stuffed dog that I sleep with every night, and my weighted blanket. Coming down to my nightstand, this is really where I spend most of my time. I just have my phone charger, my outlet, stuff like that, my Hydro Flask, my Apple Watch and charger, my remote to change my LEDs to control them, my laptop, my essential oil diffuser, and my Google Home. So moving over is my calendar that I use every day. It only goes to August 15th because that's when I leave, so I'm not going to make it any longer for when I'm not here, but that's just where I keep track of everything that's going on. Like you can see, I have nails written on the 11th. That's when I get my nails done, stuff like that. Then moving down to my vanity, I just have my makeup mirror, a jewelry tree, and then I have a ring tray that I just put all of my jewelry and stuff on. Then moving into the middle, I have a mirror tray. Again, I've had it since I've moved into this room. And then I have this glass plaque that my grandparents gave to me when I graduated high school. Then I have a wooden M with an all-seeing eye on it, and then my alarm clock that I use all the time, and my skateboard, and then I just have some records that actually have to be returned down there, an extra tripod, a jewelry case that it has jewelry that I never use in it, Purell, some baton stuff. And then moving up here, I just have all of like my past concert tickets and events that I have been to. It's not all of them, but it's majority of them. So I just put them there. Moving over from that, we just have my mirror and my closet. And this is actually one of those like jewelry case mirrors. Again, this is just jewelry that I literally never wear. So it's just in there for storage. And yeah, this is my mirror and my closet. Fit check, just sweatpants and a t-shirt. And now moving to the back of my door. So I just have my dance backpack, an extra scarf. I have my car keys and my school lanyard. I have ice skates, an extra purse, and some extra masks are behind that backpack. And that backpack is the one I use every day as my purse. And then at the back of my door, I just have this plaque that has a bunch of things from the day I was born and then just a bunch of old photos. And that concludes my room tour. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the room tour. If you did, make sure to go down below and give it a big thumbs up. Also be on the lookout for my college house room tour, which will be coming in a few weeks. So be on the lookout for that. And to sign up for now, I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys. You all already know what's coming after this end credit. So after I say bye, guys, it's always do, do, do. It's bloopers because I can never film a video correctly. So as you can tell by today's title, I'm doing not my everyday makeup routine, but if you want to go check that out, go click right there. In a few, okay. Okay. I ain't gonna get naked for no tennis bracelet, but I need 20 bands for an anklet, ooh. So as you can tell by the title, okay. I don't even know how to film a video. All my social medias listed down here. Twitter, that's not Twitter. That's Instagram, but go off. Hop right into the room tour. My voice cracked. Some family what? I have this mirrored tray. Well, mirrored tray. I have a mirrored tray. Why can I not say mirrored tray? Mirrored tray. Mirrored tray. Mirror tray. A mirror tray. Jewelry. I almost just ripped my whole mirror off my door, but okay. Coming in the next, okay. Ah! I hate the summer. I hate it. Absolutely hate it. Hate it. I hate it here. Yeah. Yeah. I'm Ariana. Yeah. Ciao. Anyways, so hold on, honey, don't you let